Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number onto your account on Ubisoft Connect. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Ubisoft website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, click on the same account icon once again, and then click on Account Management. Now, from the Account Management page, go ahead and click on Account Information, and then underneath Private Information, click on the Edit button. From here, you can scroll down and click on the Add a Phone Number option. Once you click on this, you will be asked to verify your identity through your email first. Click on the Send button, and just check your inbox, and you will find the verification code. Just type this code in within the given box, and click on the Submit button, and you will now be asked to enter your phone number. Click on the Add button after typing in your phone number, and you will now be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your phone as well. So just check your SMS, and you will find this code right away. After typing this code in, click on the Submit button once again, and now your phone number has successfully been added onto your profile. You can change this in the future if you wish by coming back into the same menu and then clicking on Manage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your phone number onto your Ubisoft Connect account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.